What is up tonight, YouTube? So, I've been doing a lot of small projects, Monday through Friday, and on the weekends, my weekends have been packed with the bigger stuff, but I really love learning things and doing new things, so it just makes sense to do like 1 hour projects here, 1 hour projects there. So we're out in the workshop tonight, and I'm going to try in 1 hour to make 2 necklaces, and at the end of this video I'll explain why 2 are being made, and I think they'll come out pretty cool, but we will see. I've been making a couple of keychains here and there, so working on jewelry, just a hair, not the best at it, but let's hopefully make something cool today. So today I'm going to be working with, this is 1/2 inch wide by 1/8 inch thick mild steel. You can pick this up at Lowe's, you can pick this up anywhere. And I'm just going to start drawing out my image. Now, one of the biggest things here is, for this to be able to be a necklace and go on, I need to jelly roll a portion of this, which is just folding steel over on itself. So I want to leave a space here that can be rolled over, and that's where the leather will go through on the necklace part. Then I can draw out my image, and a lot of this is just going to be done freehand and then shaped on the grinder. So our little ghost dude is starting to take shape. I think I want to bring these up just a little bit more here, and then I'm going to start working on the jelly roll. So I have these long reach needle nose pliers. It's just what I have on hand. You can use any plier, vice grips, vice, whatever you got lying around. And I'm going to go halfway up on that piece, and this is what's going to allow me to start rolling it over. So I'm going to take, now you can do this cold because it's mild steel, but it's just a lot easier if it's hot. So all I'm doing is I'm heating this up just a little bit, and I'm taking, I have a plastic hammer here, and I'm just starting to get a bend. I'm at about 90 degrees now. We're just trying our best not to tear the steel, and if I do, I gotta start over, which sucks. So I didn't film me drilling the hole for the actual necklace part. So what I did was I jelly rolled it, which folded over on itself. Then I drilled a hole through it. Now I screwed up a tiny bit, and it's pretty thin there. I tried to flex it with my finger, and I can't. So it should be pretty good for a necklace. If it breaks, it just means I'm remaking it again. So now I'm going to drill the eye holes, and we can move on to making a second one. So I don't want to drill press, and my drill bit slipped, and I ended up drilling them off center from each other, so one's up higher. So I decided to drill one even bigger and just make it look goofy. Then I rounded out all the edges in that, so now I have a little bit of work with the Dremel, and I'm ready to make a second one. Alright, so we got them all finished up and surfaced, hit them with a little bit of sandpaper. Now it's time to get some paint on them, and let's see how they come out. So the reason why I made 2, I said I would talk about this, and I've been debating for a while if I wanted to talk about it on here, but everyone in my personal life already knows this, so might as well just put it out there. But my wife and I got a girlfriend, so I now have a wife and a girlfriend. My wife has a husband and a girlfriend, and the girlfriend has a boyfriend and a girlfriend. So we've kind of ended up in this throuple, if you will. And honestly, it's been a huge lifestyle change, a lot of mental change, but honestly, at the end of the day, it's awesome and it's great.